here we are, the Channel Tunnel. Oh, we got it. Sun creeping up over the hills there. We got a bit of mist here. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Okay, so we are not freight, we are passenger traffic. So there's the freight check-in. It's really simple. Here's the passenger check-in. There's the line next to us. So we just pick any one that's open. I'm going to do the ink. Oh, it's on the other side of the car, isn't it? Doesn't matter to me. Take a glove off here so we can get some out booking. Press to check in. Nine 9716 9239 9239. Confirm. It becomes the biggest problem, is where do you put the damn ticket? Confirm. Please confirm you have no pets. Confirm. Petrol. Next. How are we doing? Alright, mate. 12 minutes. Sweet. Next. Okay, so I'm still on for my main time. Departure letter printed on the hanger. Yeah, so it's going to give you a printout. I just put it in my top. Throw a glove back on because it's cold this morning, and off we go again. Oh, where are we going? This way? That's the exit. that guy completely threw me off when he started turning that way. Okay, all vehicles. I see somebody I recognise over there. My nephew's also heading to France today. And a different route in his car. His first time ever going across. Okay, well this bit's new. Last time I came across, you just turned straight into the car park there. Looks like we have to go right the way around. Cars and motorbikes in this lane. Cars and motorbikes this way. This is the terminal building. It's just like a service station basically. Mine's departing. My first departure call is in like 12 minutes, so there's no point. But there's like toilets and stuff like that in there, cafes and that kind of thing. The usual. Good morning. Okay then, we've been called to board. Let's go. Go on, go on. Little dog patiently waiting. Nice hairpin. Okay, we're just following signs for border controls. They just used to have signs that just said France. Well, they've obviously changed that now. Like even on the floor it says EU. Sneak down here. And then we switch our engine off when we get there, just so you can actually hear what's going on. Hello! It's in here somewhere. Thank you very much. Behind that BMW. Cheers, mate. Okay, we now do the little section. We go to French passport control. Good morning. Oh, crikey. Nearly toppled then. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. over to the motorbike only lane. Feeds us back into the car lane anyway, but that's the Flexi Plus lounge. So if you buy that ticket, you get your own special posh lounge. We're in behind the boy races. All right, mate. W5. Okay, brilliant. Thank you, mate. Sorry, which one was it again? 8. And it's definitely got an X on it. Number 8 with an X. Sent all the cars on, and then the bikes go on at the back. I think it's because if there was any kind of crash in the tunnel, you don't want all the cars slamming forward into the bikes and everything, because we're going to be off and kind of sat around, whereas people in the cars can obviously stay inside the cars. You just follow the marshals. Guy in front of me here with the German number plate, but an Australian accent. Threw me a little bit when he started talking. That is great. And there we are, the trains lined up. I think they have about 3 going per hour. Efficient system they got going. The cars were obviously already lining up next to us as we were setting off then for the next train. With the likes of ferries and stuff like that, the floor can be a bit slippy on the entrance bit. So obviously it's dry today, so not as much of an issue. If it was wet, it'd be a bit horrible. Go on, I suggest getting over to the right hand side. Oh, they are pointing you over that way anyway, because what they're going to do, see, big metal floor, what you're going to do is, I don't know if you can see that bike down the far end there, you swing in and you park your front tyre up against the little lip on the side here, switch off, leave it in gear, but you push your tyre right up against that. So obviously you wouldn't need to be on the right hand side to swing in there. closing up. Well, we're finally getting off. Cheers mate, there was a broken down car. It wouldn't start when we got here, so we were all trapped. But yeah, we couldn't get off. So they've had to bring on a tow vehicle, reverse a tow vehicle into it to get it off the train. One of the bikers had said, oh, can we just turn around and go out the back of the train instead? And the fella said to him, he goes, well, you can technically. He goes, well, there's no platform to then get you all the way to the front of the train. Which could have been a bit of an issue. Yeah, so now we get a nice ride through the train. Change the speedo into kilometres an hour, put the clock forward an hour. We are good to go. Oh, we made it to France. Bonjour. The ramp, you follow the arrows to the exit. Remember, keep to the right.